In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an Instacart order. Whether you're new to Instacart or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered with easy to follow instructions that will help you navigate the process smoothly. Firstly, let's start by opening up your Instacart app on your smartphone. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version to avoid any glitches or unexpected behavior. Alright, with the app open and ready, take a look at the upper right corner and you'll see a little icon that represents your profile. Give it a tap. It's like opening the control center for all your app activities. Once you're in your profile area, you'll notice a section labeled Orders. This is where Instacart keeps track of all your shopping activities. You might have to scroll down slightly to find it, but it's pretty easy to spot. Go ahead and tap on Orders. This section is designed to give you a detailed view of both past and upcoming orders. Now, you may not have any current orders to cancel, and that's perfectly fine. I'll give you a general idea of how it works. When orders show up here, each one will have its own little tile or listing on the screen. If you want to cancel an active order, tap on the specific order you're interested in. Once you're in the order view, there should be an option to cancel it. Instacart tries to make this as intuitive as possible, giving you the choice to cancel as long as the shopping hasn't started yet. Canceling an order that's already being processed or after it's been completed is generally not possible through the app itself, so make sure to act swiftly if you need to cancel. Instacart's policy allows cancellations up to the point your personal shopper begins picking out the groceries. There's usually a grace period during which you can cancel without any fee, but if you wait too long after the shopper has started, you might incur a charge. Being familiar with this window helps save you from unexpected costs. That's basically all there is to it. Simple and straightforward. With these steps, you'll be able to manage your Instacart orders with confidence, making changes whenever necessary. Familiarizing yourself with this process can make a huge difference in how you manage your grocery shopping, allowing you to correct any errors or change your mind without hassle. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more of our tutorials here where we simplify digital tasks just for you. Until next time, happy shopping.